All right, this is some homework help for problem 1125, which asks you to find the volume and base, or asks you to find the height and the surface area of a square-based pyramid. So you know that a square-based pyramid has 4 equal sides at the bottom and then 4 equal faces that are all triangles. So I know that the volume of this shape is 144 inches squared. They told us that. They also told us that the base area, which we use a capital B for, is 36 square inches. So the first question asks, if I know those two things, how can I find the height? Well, the equation for the volume of a pyramid is base area times height divided by 3. So I'm going to fill in everything I know. I know the base area is 36. I don't know the height, but I do know that the volume is 144. Okay, so then you want to solve that equation. So you want to undo it, right? So the opposite of dividing by 3 is multiplying by 3. The opposite of multiplying by 36 is dividing by 36. So 144 times 3 divided by 36. The height is 12 inches. So then you have to try and find the surface area. So the surface area is made up of the base, which is a square, which has an area of 36, which means if it's a square, the square root of 36 is 6. So each side length is 6. And we've got 4 triangles, which we know the base right here meets, so it's 6. So we've got 4 of these, 4 lateral faces. So in order to find the area of the triangle, I need to find the height. And that's not actually 12 inches, right? That was the height of the pyramid. That was the height that drops from the apex down and creates a right angle. We actually need the slant height, the height that's up here that goes from the apex to the edge. Okay, and if you watch the video in the Pear Deck, you would remember, hey, the actual height of the pyramid, the slant height, and half of the base creates a right triangle. So my height of 12 inches from my triangle, half of my base would be 3, and then my slant height. And because it's a right triangle, I can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the slant height. So 12 squared plus 3 squared equals my slant height squared. And you're going to figure out that it's about 12.37 inches. Okay? So that means that the height is 12.37 inches of the 4 triangular faces. Okay, so I'm going to have to add 36 plus 4 times base times height divided by 2. 6 times 12.37 divided by 2. And you are going to get a surface area of around 184.43 inches squared.